All right, welcome back to the channel. Wanted to give you a quick look at the latest addition to the collection. This is a 1954 tow truck, Tonka tow truck, in all original condition. I actually traded in a fully restored Tonka pickup truck for this. You wouldn't believe the price they were asking for this thing too. But I did get a fairly good deal on it. I've come to appreciate the original trucks more and more lately. As you can tell, I like them rusty and crusty. Well, there you go. Like I said, a quick look. Thanks for stopping by.